Hi there and welcome to another iTrace GPS tracking services YouTube tutorial. In today's tutorial we'll be going over how to do your fill-up records. To do your fill-up records, first proceed to log in and then go to your settings. Once you have reached your settings, you go to your fill-up records. This will be located on the left hand side of the screen. Once at your fill-up records, first select the tracker where it says Tracker. We're going to select My Teenage Daughter for today's fill-up record. Once you have selected a vehicle, proceed to click the plus sign on the top right hand corner. Once you have clicked the plus sign, you'll then see a fill-up record is placed in front of you. It then provides you with the option to fill in the gas station of which you arrived at for your fill-up, the date and time it took place, date and time it ended, how many liters were filled, or if it was a full tank. You are then able to include the total price for the fuel you have purchased and how much it has cost you. This includes a setting of which you can add the total with VAT included and VAT excluded. The same goes for the price per liter. You are able to adjust the VAT rate between any number you choose. The South African VAT rate is currently at 15%. You are then also able to add the mileage in kilometers. Once you have filled in all the information required, you then proceed to click Save, and once you have saved, you will then see your first fill-up record has appeared in your fill-up record. Thank you for watching another iTrace sponsored tutorial. This is Kier from iTrace, signing off.